Hello students, how are you? Students, today's our topic, a poem, Voice of Rain. In this poem, this is the conversation between a poet and rain. In First Stranger, and who art thou? Said I to the soft falling shower, which, strange to tell, give me an answer, as here translated, I am the poem of earth, said the voice of rain. Means, in these lines, poet asked the question to rain, who are you? Then rain answered, I am the rain of earth. And poet asked to the falling shower, poet asks to rain, who are you? Give me answer. Then it becomes a strange thing that poet replied the answer in the voice of a rain. And answer was that I am the poem of earth. Students, in this stanza, there used a phrase, strange to tell, means the poet had not expected to get the answer in human voice from the rain. So he self replied the answer in place of rain. Because to find the answer from rain was unexpected. And in second stranger, eternal I rise, impalpable out of the land and the bottom of the sea, upward to heaven, whence vaguely formed, altogether changed and yet the same. I descend to left the draughts, atomies, dust layers of the globe, and all that in them without me were seeds only, latent, unborn. In this stanza, rain replied the answer of the question. In first stanza, poet asked the question to the rain, and in second stanza, the rain replied the answer of the question of poet. Rain replied to the poet that I raised only side to the sky, means I raised to the upper side from the land and bottom of sea. It goes straight upward to the heaven from the land, but is not goes properly like before. Mostly things has changed in the middle, but becoming many changes, it goes like same. And after reaching into the heaven, then water comes in the form of rain from the heaven. Then it remove the drought, means the lack of water, remove the atomies and pure the dust layers which is in our atmosphere, and to sit under it cleans the complete atmosphere. If we say in short, then all things which are present on the earth take a new life to the rain, means every living thing is connected to the rain. And in third stanza, students, in this stanza, these lines end forever by day and night. I give back life to my own organ and make pure and beautify it. In third stanza, there is a continuation, answer of the rain. Rain said forever. It does its work in day and night. It means rain always does work in day and night. It takes birth, means it comes again and again on the earth and does its work continue. It goes again in heaven and comes again on earth, and when it comes on earth, it provides good life, relax to the all living things of the world. With it, the rain pure the atmosphere. Also it clear out all the things. It make pure green and make beautiful to the earth with its water. And in a brackets line for song issuing from its birthplace after fulfillment, wandering, wrecked or unwrecked, duly with love returns. In brackets line, the rain said to the pupil. It means the rain messaged to the pupil. Noticed me or not me, I don't care, because my work is to go in the heaven from the earth. It means I go in the heaven and return on the earth every time with a changing and taking round in heaven place and return on earth where I took the birth. It means every time rain took birth on the earth, and I will do my work. Rain said, I will do my work, continue with love. Okay students, your poem is completed now.